What's up, guys? So it's been a while since I've posted any videos on the car. I've been kind of waiting on some parts. So finally got some parts rolling in. I've had some parts that I ordered, a couple months ago, and they're just now getting here. So that's why there hadn't really been a lot of updates, because I've kind of been in a holding pattern, just waiting on parts. And I can't really do much without the parts. Back in February, I had ordered a turbo manifold and a throttle body, so that I can get all that stuff mounted up. Turbo manifold came in today, and hopefully the throttle body is going to be coming in on Monday. So then we can get that going. I also got the fuel cell ordered, and I ordered it from DP Race Parts. So they just came out with their all-wheel drive fuel cell. I think they're the only company that's producing an all-wheel drive fuel cell at this moment, so be sure to check them out. It's pretty affordable for a fuel cell, and it fits in factory location, uses factory fuel net. So they seem like pretty cool guys. I talked to them on the phone and got everything ordered. But anyway, finally got the exhaust manifold in today, and so I'm gonna get that unboxed real quick. Alright guys, so like I said, this just came in today, and get her unboxed. So this is the Speed Factory manifold. I guess I just ordered it the wrong time of the year. Took a while to get it in. I don't know if it's because of tax time or what, and then the coronavirus crap set it back too. So, but Jason Waters is trying to get to where he can keep these in stock. So if you ever need a manifold, go through Jason Waters. If you're wanting Speed Factory, he'll have it crap in stock for too long. Alright, so we can see here that I've kind of got it dummy fitted just to test it out. This is a Precision 6466 PTE 2nd gen dual ball bearing, and she should make some steam. I don't have the right bolts yet, and I don't have the gaskets that go here or the one where it makes to the head. But I just put it up here, just kind of dummy fit it, and I still got to finish up some wiring. I got my map sensor, my TPS, and there's an air intake temperature sensor there. I got to get wired up for down here where the throttle body goes, and then I got to wire in my electric water pump, and I think I'm going to mount my boost solenoid here, and I got a little bracket that's I've just painted and got it over here drying to be able to do that. And yeah, and then I'll have to mount my wastegate and stuff too, and then get the exhaust made and the dump tube for the wastegate, and then also I got to get oil supply line, oil return line, just little stuff. So yeah, progress is progress. Alright, so I went ahead and got my bracket for the boost solenoid on, and got the boost solenoid mounted up, and then I've got these push lock fittings. As you can see here, I got one of the lines for the push, it's just stubbed up in there right now. So got the push lock fitting on the turbo, and then I got the wastegate on here. I had to remove my brake lines because obviously it's going to interfere here. So I'm gonna have to move my brake lines, I guess, down lower on the firewall or something. Just had to rebend some of those, put some new ends on them. It's no big deal. I've done plenty of brake lines in the past, but Yeah, and then once I get the plug cover on, it'll cover up all the wires up here, and then I'll finish taping up these and get them loomed up real nice. And still got to get my injectors and put the fuel rails on. There's a fuel rail on top and a fuel rail on the bottom, so I'll get both of those. I got to mount a regulator. Previously it was mounted up here on the B-Series setup, and I think I'm going to mount it maybe over here this go around. And so yeah, this is kind of where it's at right now. Alright guys, so I hadn't really had a chance to update anything else with the build. I worked on it the other night for several hours and got a lot done. I did order some more stuff to finish off kind of where I'm at right now. I ordered the turbo gasket, the extra fittings that I needed for the fuel lines, for the turbo, and for the coolant system. I did order the turbo supply hose, and I ordered the return fitting. I already had return hose, I just didn't have the actual fitting to go on the bottom of the turbo. Ordered some more push lock fittings because I'm doing all my vacuum lines in push lock. So I went ahead and ordered a couple more of those because I had most of them. And as you can see in the video, the brake lines from my master cylinder to the firewall wouldn't clear, so I had to take those off, and I've remade those, and I'll kind of document some more of that in a future video because I needed to redo some of my brake lines anyway, because I added a staging brake and a hydraulic staging brake, and so I was going to have to redo the lines to the rear anyway. So I'll document some of that with a future video once I can get the car mobile again and get it out of the garage to where we can really see better. So in the side of the garage is kind of dark and you can't really see much on the camera, so just figured I'd close out this video real quick and that way I can get some content out so you guys can see it. Anyways, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and hopefully you'll be tuning in the future for some more videos, and hopefully I can get some more posted pretty soon. Appreciate it.